Let me show you 5 websites where you can make over $1,000 writing articles. The first website is called Inside Hook. Inside Hook is an awesome website where you can write and make money online. If you want to send them your requests to write for them through mail, you can use this address. If you want to call them and ask questions, you can use this address. Then for editorial inquiries, you can use this email. For business inquiries and for technical inquiries, so you use this particular editorial at insidehook.com, and you can send your pitch to them, and then once they accept it, you're going to write for them and get paid. Okay, number two is Rest of World. Now, Rest of World is an awesome website too, where you can write for them. You can write between 600 to 1,000, while for reports, you can write over 1,000 to 2,000 words. Super amazing and very, very interesting. Yes, very interesting. So this is the entire pitch deck for Rest of World Africa. So you have all this. This is the email if you want to send it to. Send your pitches to david@restofworld.org, and they pay up $500 flat fee for shorter news stories and $750 for reports, which are typically around 1,500 words. So you get paid $750 just for a report of 1,500 words. I'm going to include the links to this in the description of this video so you can have full access to them. So if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, click on the bell notification so you get notified each time I drop a video like this, and I do so every single day. Number 3 is from a tweet. So you can see from here, you can send your pitches to Sayword at atavist.com. So you can send your pitches here, and they accept writers a lot on this particular platform. So you can send your pitches to this email and you get a response from them as soon as possible. Now, number 4 is the bold italics. Bold italics is an awesome place to write for too. So you see here, the entire pitch deck, so you can always check this out. Over here you see all what they're looking for, the category of writings that they're looking for: essays, unpopular opinions, trends, profiles, and so on and so forth, cultural commentaries, humor, and you have all this. Yes, so how to pitch, there's a full breakdown on how you could go about pitching to them, and it's over here. Then you can send an email to info@thebolditalics.com for your pitch to be accepted. So there's a format. Ensure you read all these guidelines. Very important, because there's some of them that if you don't follow the guidelines to the latter, they're going to reject it. Simple and easy. Yeah, they pay between $200 and $300 per story, and depending on research required for the piece. So if you write an awesome piece, you're going to get $300. And finally, number 5 is observer.com. So it's open, okay, and you can send in your pitches to their editors and you'll get accepted too as well. So if you got a story tip, you can send it to tips@observer.com. All these websites are amazing. Now, the most important thing is that you take action immediately. I'll include a video either here or in the description of this video on how to craft your pitch and what to expect, so you don't get caught up in between. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. So it's very easy and it's very simple. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and God bless.